white and medium yellow. Mix these together. So at this point I had some problems with my video, so what I'm going to tell you what I did. I took my orange and I painted my orange sky with that, and then I took my finger and dipped it in white and put a moon. I also took some phthalo blue and painted the bottom for some water about middle ways, and you can see the black, that's my rocks in the back, or hills, mountains in the back. Also, I took a warm gray, and made the bottom for the beach. Then we'll pick up from there. Alright, so I'm back with this one. I'm going to use my 0/10 liner brush, and I'm just going to come in and put a few little waves where the water is hitting the rocks. Okay. Now, at this point, I'm just going to bring me a little line down here and here. They can, at the bottom, go out just a little bit. I might be going out too much. And come across straight. So kind of start out like a rectangle, and then just add a little bit more at the bottom. And this white, we're just getting this on here as thick as I can. Then we're just going to bring our, come in just a little on each side. Go and make us a line back out and kind of make us a triangle on top. And that is the start of our little lighthouse. We'll put us a little, let's have a little cabin right here beside it. Cottage, it's on the beach, it's a cottage, right? So we're making an A frame, make us a line, make another part of the A frame. Bring it down to, I'm going to make it about even. We'll put a little chimney there. It gets cold in the on the beach. And then we're just going to fill this in. And then if we need to come back in with another coat, we'll do that. Okay, I'm back to, I've got my sunset. I'm going to put a couple of stars in here. The sun is going down, but it's I just put 3 stars. Actually, I'm going to put me a little bird here. I'm going to make a dot here, and it'll come out with the wings. And if I don't like the white, I could always do them black, and I think I will. So I'm just going to take my finger and wipe that off. So you can take that out. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my black. I'm going to put me a dot right here. And I'm going to give me a wing. And another wing. And I may do one here. And one right here. And all I'm doing is just coming up and going down. There we go. 3 little birds flying in the sky. Could be the Father, the Son, and the Holy Ghost. Could be Scott, Andrew, and Daniel. Anytime there was something 3, I always call it that. 3 little birds. Okay. I'm going to use this white again, and I'm just going to come on here with another coat. Because I'm going to be using some red directly to help. But I need to get this first coat, second coat down. And you see I didn't even do the top up there because that's going to be a different color. Okay, and we're going back over our house. you my smoke a little different. I'm just going to bring it up a little bit like that, because I think sometimes that's cute too. Alright, so we have our next coat on, and I'm going to come back in with my sunset a little bit. And I'm going to grab some of my yellow, and I'm just going to bring in some lines right in there in the sunset. Can you see that?